that this test, as I said earlier, this test is adaptive,
ओके
right?
मैम मैंने पीटी
Adaptive.
दी है पहले।
You have given this before?
नो मैम मैंने पीटी दी है।
Okay. See, PT में नेगेटिव मार्किंग है, ओके?
हाँ जी
इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है,
ओके
बिकॉज इसमें आपके पास MCQ ही नहीं है, तो नेगेटिव मार्किंग कहाँ से आएगी?
ओके
नेगेटिव मार्किंग आपके पास तब होती है व्हेन you have to answer 2-3 क्वेश्चंस टुगेदर।
ओके मैम मैंने ना इसका प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट दिया था, उसमें 85 से 100 तक स्कोर आए थे।
करेक्ट, ओके
मेरी में रिक्वायरमेंट है 105 की है रिक्वायरमेंट।
ओके। It should be 105 to 110, 6 bands, right?
6.5।
Okay. Yes, 6.5. So the bracket is 105 to 110.
हाँ जी
Let me
राइट।
tell you, the practice test, anyone who is appearing for the practice test, because I have seen many students जो actually practice कर रहे हैं practice test से,
राइट
okay? And the practice test, see, it's only 15 minutes.
हाँ जी
ओके और 15 मिनट्स में भी अगर मुझे वो 100 का स्कोर दे रहा है, you cannot rely on that practice test, because when I have to appear for the test, that will be 45 minutes test.
राइट।
So this is just to give me a sample, but that should not be treated as मेरा इतना स्कोर आया है तो मेरा इतना आ जाएगा, till
उसमें
the
मैम रीड
time
लाउड
you
भी नहीं
actually
है।
appear for your test.
इसमें रीड लाउड है
Read aloud is there, yes.
बट मैम प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट में नहीं उन्होंने दिए।
नहीं, रीड अलाउड आई थिंक देयर शुड, अगर नहीं दिया तो दैट इज अ सिस्टम थिंग। एग्जैक्टली, अगर आप आज एक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट करते हो, अगर आप कल एक प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट करोगे, you may have different set of questions.
ओके
Madam, I have got the read aloud section, madam. When I have
Yeah,
done the practice
exactly,
test.
read aloud is there.
Read aloud is there, madam.
You should
I
not
have a
rely
small doubt.
completely on practice test. Yeah,
Yeah, like I have done this practice test like more than 10, 12 times I have solved it. So
okay.
just only thing I don't know about is like when I'll give a practice original exam of 45 minutes. So how many question will come of each question type? Like
Okay,
missing word, weird
I
and
one of
out.
my student has a test today. Okay, so one of my student is giving up a test today. If you want to raise some question, I would highly advise you can raise it tomorrow. You can send me a WhatsApp, you can send me a Skype, I will surely reply to you. But again, let me tell you, when you ask about how many types of question or how many times it will be repeated,
Hmm.
okay, see, you will easily get your read aloud right from dictation and type the missing letter. You will easily get it more than 5 times.
Okay.
So there will be a good lot of repetition, because see, क्वेश्चन टाइप्स जो हैं, जो जिसको हम आइटम टाइप्स बोलते हैं, वो कुछ नया नहीं आएगा, लेकिन मिसिंग लेटर का यू मे गेट 7 क्वेश्चंस। Got it?
Yeah, got
ओके
it.
मैम
So there will be nothing new question, something like true false will come, nothing new is going to come. You know, okay, this is the
Yeah,
item
I
type, this
understood.
is
Like
how I have to do.
so, this was the only question. Like how many sets of questions will come of each question type?
Each question time
Yeah.
expect सिर्फ 15 minutes आप दे रहे हैं, उसमें भी repeat होता है, missing letter repeat होता है, correct?
Two
Now
times.
when you have to give a 45 minutes, obviously there is a repetition. But one more thing, when you have to write the essay and when you have to give the cue card, that will be only one.
Okay, thank you.
Got it?
मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन है
Yes.
मैम, जिसमें उसमें इमेज में आता है कि जैसे काउ और बुफेलो वन वर्ड में बोलना होता है, उसका मैम कैसे हम बोल सकते हैं दिस इज काउ, से हम पूरा पिक्चर एक्सप्लेन करना
आप
होता है?
this is cow नहीं बोलेंगे, आप this is a cow बोलेंगे. That a
Okay.
is also very important.
ओके
Okay. And if you want to frame a sentence, you can frame a sentence like this is a cow, or if you want to say a cow, you can say like that also.
ओके मैम
Ideally, अच्छे score के लिए you should frame a sentence this is a cow.
Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
Yes.
मैम मेरे को इसकी कुछ नहीं पता, मैं बिल्कुल फ्रेशर हूँ, तो थोड़ा बताओ इसकी
What's your
है
name?
कौन सी ऐप। माय नेम इज करण।
Karan. Okay, Karan. Karan, अभी जो मैंने beginning में बताया था, what is Overlingo test? वो Duolingo test, sorry. Have you understood that?
वो तो पता लग गया मैम, पर
ठीक।
आपने इसमें बोला कि इसकी आईडी वगैरह बनानी होती है, तो वो सारा
हाँ,
सिस्टम
आप
मेरे
Duolingo
को।
की जब आप टेस्ट रजिस्टर करते हो, then you should go on the Duolingo website and follow the instructions. It's quite simple. As you have to, apply for test, register test. When you register the test, then you follow the instructions there, and it's very clear instructions. You have to, give your documents. They need a national ID, which is obviously a passport for all of us. So you have to give the copy of your passport, give your passport details, and then register for yourself for the test.
और इसके अंदर एक ऐप भी है इसकी मैम, जिसके अंदर ये प्रैक्टिस होती है ड्यूलिंगो की।
Duolingo has the app, but for specifically for Duolingo English test, abhi tak what is available in the market from the original Duolingo is the practice test, which is on their website. That's it.
ओनली ऑन वेबसाइट।
Only on their website.
Hello,
Hello?
am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, how it's work means how many marks are weightage on particular section means on writing, on reading,
Exactly.
and
There is no weightage on listening, writing, reading, and these 4 communicative skills. There is no separate weightage. When you get the score, you get your overall score. If you can see the screen which is just opened in front of you, let's say this is a listening item. Okay. And this listening item is, I'll show you which one I was explaining. I was explaining this in which you hear a particular sentence and you have to type the same here. Okay.
Right.
So let's say this listening type, if you see what is tested, it is written listening and writing skills. So they are always testing more than one skill. Either you're listening first of all the sentence and then you're writing it also. So they are testing your both the skills. आपको अलग अलग स्कोर नहीं मिलता है. You get a combination of score. You get a overall score.
मैम
Same
एक
like
क्वेश्चन,
PTE.
Yeah.
मैम एक बार आप क्वेश्चन की टाइप से बता दो कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आते हैं सभी।
I can quick. Okay, let me finish this PowerPoint because for the question types I have to go to another PowerPoint.
ओके मैम।
Okay. This also has actually 3 items, 3 types of questions. One is what I have told you, and how we practice it on this is like you need to listen to a lot of podcast. Podcast
ओके
in English, kind of
यस
recorded interviews or recorded some listening recorded scripts. So you should listen to that to make your listening skills better. And the one thing, as I told you that in this listening type, you always have a chance to replay the audio. You can replay the audio 2 times. So the right way of attempting this question, if any one of you is trying to do the practice test, when you attempt this type of a question, hear it once and type it. Maybe you missed something or you did not miss it. First type once, hear once and then type it. Then rehear it and see what you have typed. If you have typed something wrong, then correct it. ऐसा मत करो पहले 2 बारी सुन लिया फिर टाइप कर रहे हो. पहले एक सुनो, टाइप, then listen again just to cross check whether you have done it right or wrong. Got this strategy?
राइट मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what is a podcast? Have anyone of you heard to a podcast?
यस यस मैम, आई
Oh, very
ऑलरेडी
good.
हर्ड।
So I don't have to explain, or should I explain?
इफ एनीबॉडी वांट
British
टू
Council
मीट,
podcast or TED.
What?
British Council podcast or TED.
Exactly. It's not important कि आप कौन सा podcast, any
हाँ,
podcast you can try.
any podcast.
Yes, any podcast you can try, but podcast is actually for beginners. If you think that you are somewhere standing on 60% and you have to move to 100%, you can use the link which I'm sharing right now on my screen. This is actually a PTE test link wherein you have to write from dictation. This is exactly the same that comes in Duolingo English test. So you can use this link. If you want to write it down, you can write it with you.
जैसे मैम इसमें
Maybe PTE students would know it for sure. Can I move to the next slide or anyone is writing it down? Okay, I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, now this is what someone has asked me. Writing item question. What is happening here? You are given an image and you are asked to write one or more sentences on this image. Is the question clear?
Repeat my part, please.
Yes.
You are given an image and you have to write more than one sentence. Don't write one. You are not going to get a good score if you write just one sentence. So at least write 2 sentences.
इसमें
The time
मैम
given. Yeah.
इसके अंदर वो वाले भी सेंटेंस डाल सकते हैं जैसे राइटिंग में होते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस, कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस,
देखो
उससे थोड़ा सा
सिंपल सेंटेंस तो बनाना ही नहीं चाहिए. I'll show you the example. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, the time to answer this is 1 minute. Okay, you get 60 seconds per image. So you have to type it within that time. And asked to write a few sentences describing the image. Now here what is tested actually? If it is a writing item, actually it's a writing item, your writing skills are tested. And if you get a speaking one, then your speaking skills will be tested. Speaking is much more difficult because they will check your phonetics, which is your pronunciation. They will check your English words. And the strategy how to do it, you need to have your own vocabulary. Why I say that you have your own vocabulary, it means agar kuch difficult aa gaya, so I have a written set of answer. Correct? Let's look at the example. Anyone knows what is this? Any idea what is this? Anyone there?
It is a musical instrument.
It is a musical instrument. Okay. Very good. Next. Okay. So what we are going to do, I have 2 answers for this. See, someone might know, okay, this is, इस instrument का नाम हमें पता है. And then if I don't know the name, obviously it is a musical instrument. Correct? What I'm going to do, look at the answers now. First answer is, this is a spiral shaped musical instrument. Can you see the shapes here? It is something spiral, up and down, up and down.
Yes, ma'am.
A spiral shaped musical instrument that has a number of spirals. It means it has lot of spirals. The air needs to be blown from one end. Now you see, I will blow the air from one end and for the sound to come out in the another end. So one end I am going to blow the air and the sound will come out from the other end. It means मुझे musical instrument का नाम नहीं पता था. What I saw, I just framed the sentence. Did you got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Similarly, अगर मुझे इस instrument का नाम पता होता, so this is a musical instrument named French horn. The sound of this musical instrument is quite soothing and it is generally used in ballroom parties. Now let me tell you, जो second sentence मैंने लिखा है, the sound of this musical instrument is quite soothing and it is generally used in ballroom parties. ये मुझे नहीं पता. But I need to ensure that I write more than one sentence, so I have written this sentence. This is called use your own vocabulary. अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, then you should be good to frame your own sentences.
मैम जी 2 से ज्यादा भी सेंटेंस बना सकते हैं या 2 ही?
2 से ज्यादा देखो, आपके पास सिर्फ 1 मिनट है.
ओके.
You know, then you have to think also, you have to type also, I have to look for everything. No need to write more than 2 sentences.
इसमें कनेक्टर्स यूज कर सकते हैं?
You can use the connector.
Okay.
When you write a second sentence, additionally you can write, moreover you can write, but don't use like, you know, such a big connector. Just write, I think in addition or additionally or moreover is more than enough.
Okay.
Okay. For this image, does anyone know what is this? What is this? No idea? अगर आइडिया नहीं है, can someone still make a sentence? Anyone? Try.
And this is an animal which mainly found in America as well as Canada.
Okay.
Sir,
Good attempt.
given image,
Yes, next. Anyone?
The image
the
is
given
about
image shows about a snow forest in America, and moreover, there is also a deer located over there.
Okay, next. Actually, I like it that you are trying to frame the sentences. Anyone want to try?
The given image is about an animal which can be seen in Canada, or we can say in America.
Okay. Now, can I also try now?
the
Can I?
image is
Yes.
Sure, ma'am.
Someone wants to add on more. Who wants to say more?
Yeah, ma'am, Avik, this is.
Yes.
It's a grizzly deer. It usually seen in the basically cold temperature in the Russia, some of the part in Russia and North American section.
Very good.
the image is about a forest animal. It is mostly seen in the cold countries.
So we have, you know, what is happening, like what I have observed. You all are good in framing sentences, but you know, that confidence or the kind of vocabulary that you use, I want you to actually work on that. How we could frame the sentence, something like, okay, I know the name of this is reindeer. You know what is reindeer?
Yes.
Okay, this is a reindeer animal and it is standing on the snow. The surroundings are completely covered with the snow. I would advise that you should avoid saying Canada, America and all. Don't say the name of the countries because you have to describe the image. आप ये कैसे बता सकते हो कि ये कनाडा में है? वो तो आप अपनी तरफ से इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हो. What you see in the image, you have to tell that there is an animal. The animal is standing on the snow. The area is completely covered with you know, dense snow. You have to say like that. Don't tell something that you don't see in the image. Got it?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are these? Anyone knows what are these? What is this image about? Anyone knows? Any idea?
It is a door.
Door. Okay. IELTS किसने करा हुआ? IELTS academic.
I have done.
Have you heard or have you read any of the passage about step walls?
Yeah.
This is a step wall.
Yeah,
Okay,
step
these
one.
are the step walls. It means, okay, if I have to tell about the image, The given image is about, you can start like this also. Okay, the given image is about step walls. Moreover, few ladies can be seen standing near the steps and they are approaching towards the water. That's it. जो मुझे image में दिखा, I have explained that only. I could see few ladies, they are approaching near the water and the given image is about step walls. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
So don't try to say anything that is not in the image. Okay, now you might have question, most of you. I'm going to start my classes, which is today was obviously the first class, so I wanted to give you the overview how we are going to practice. But the class which is going forward, which will be the class will be actually, I'm going to share a lot of exercises. Let's say we have describe image, something like this. I will have somewhere around 50 describe image for you to practice. But out of 50, 20 will be done by me so that you know what kind of sentences are framed. And 30 are there for you to practice. Did you got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, they're like missing letters. I will let you. Please mute yourself. Yeah. Similarly, okay, I will quickly take you through the item type. Someone has asked, may I know who has asked for the item types? Someone in the call has requested for the item types. Shall I go through the item types?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, see, this is a yes no vocabulary. First of all, the first item type in which you are given a set of words. This is the English words. Okay, and then you have to select the right word, and this item type appears 2 times, exactly like in this section, the upper box. You have to listen to the example. You may listen to a word called interference. Interference is an English word or no? You select yes. If it is an English word, you select the tick. Example, if you hear a word, something called mercy. Mercy is not an English word. So you are not going to tick the box. Similarly, there is a box down which says that select the right English word in this. You are, okay, just a second. Yeah, in this image, the upper box has certain words written and the down box has the English words that are selected. This is what is called this. Have to just give me some time. Anyone who is planning to appear for Duolingo very soon?
Madam,
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
already purchased the test, madam.
Sorry?
I have already
I have
purchased the
also
test,
purchased
madam.
the test.
Oh, you have booked the test or you have
Yeah.
already given?
I have purchased the test, madam, already.
When are you planning to give then?
Within 10 days or 15 days, madam, after preparation.
Who is answering right now? Avik, is that?
Sai Krishna, madam.
Sai Krishna. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I am here.
Who is this?
Ma'am,
Avik,
I
you're
have
there?
also booked the test.
Okay. So I have already many students, those who have booked the test. Very good. Huh? I want you to share your experience with me.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
The first item type is your yes, no vocabulary selection. Let's understand it. You can see the two boxes in the image. The top box is how your look like. You have to hear to the English words, and if it is an English word, you have to select it. If it is not, you don't have to select it. After selection, this is the down box is how your screen will look like. The next yes no vocabulary is a text based in which you're not listening. You're actually reading what is written in front of your screen, and then you have to select the box which has an English word. If you see the box which is down and the first word, SAST, SAST is not an English word. Simple way to solve it. If you think you have read this word somewhere or you have listened to this word somewhere, then only you should select it. Don't think कि यार मैं select कर लेता हूँ. Please don't do that. Select only if you
Ma'am,
know.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
What if in this case, if I don't know any of the like any vocabulary?
If you don't know any of the vocabulary, please take a class for 1 month.
No, like in one or two vocabulary, which is,
See, it should not happen like this actually.
if I am
अगर ऐसा
confused in
होता
between
है,
some.
if it is happening कि you only know one or two, then it means we are not ready for the class.
No, if
Because, yeah, tell me.
I am confused between one or two vocabulary, whether they are like in
If
English words
anyone
or
is
not.
confused, see, for sure, you will have at least more than 5 words which should be the correct one.
मैम
Okay?
जी 2 टाइप्स में क्यों शो हो रहे हैं?
Sorry?
मैम जी 2 पार्ट्स में शो क्यों हो रहे हैं? ऊपर भी इंग्लिश वर्ड्स हैं और नीचे भी.
ऊपर white box है और नीचे
नीचे मैम वो ऑरेंज बॉक्स है.
एग्जैक्टली जो ऊपर वाला व्हाइट बॉक्स है, दिस इज द बॉक्स. जैसा क्वेश्चन पहले आता है आपके सामने, 1 मिनट का टाइमर शुरू होता है और आपसे बोला गया है कि जो इसमें से इंग्लिश वर्ड्स हैं उनको सेलेक्ट करो. तो
जैसे
जब
मैम
मैंने ये
ओल्डर
टेस्ट
वर्ड.
अटेम्प्ट करा, जब मैंने अटेम्प्ट करने के बाद जो ये ऑरेंज वर्ड्स हैं, ऑरेंज वर्ड्स का मतलब है कि सिर्फ यही इंग्लिश वर्ड्स थे.
ओके.
Madam,
यस.
madam, is there any trick that there will be only the selected six answers or 7 answers for that?
There is no trick. Based on my experience, because I think I attempt a practice test on a daily basis. Okay, because if I have to handle students like so many students, I have to be proficient in that. So I give a practice test on a daily basis. So based on my experience, I have experienced a minimum 5 answers are there actually.
Okay.
Okay, the next question. Okay, one more thing. If you see the down box, there is a word selected white in the last section. Did you
Okay,
saw white,
यस मैम.
orange box? Just before white, there is a word 18. Actually, it is a spelling error. अगर
स्पेलिंग एरर
वहाँ पे
मैम.
डबल ई होता तो वो 18 हो जाता. So you have to identify your spellings also. उससे पहले भी there is a different word. This could be a theater.
Theater.
So what they are
स्पेलिंग एरर
doing,
मैम.
they are making the spelling errors and changing the words. Can you? And we have to be very much careful with that. Next item type. This is
Mama, I'm unable to see it.
not visible.
Yeah, this is not visible to me. That particular words are not visible to me.
Okay, these particular words are not visible. Can you see the upper box easily?
Yeah. Now it's fine.
Yeah, I'm moving to the next type, which is write from dictation. This is what we have done just now. wherein I have explained you that you have to hear to a sentence which you can play 2 times, and then you have to type the same sentence. Any doubts in this type of item?
नो
No.
मैम.
Read aloud. You are given a sentence and then you have to record it. Please mind it. Your pronunciation, your intonations are very important in this. Like the word here is, we need to increase tourism in the region. A person can normally read it like this: we need to increase tourism in the region. अगर ऐसे read करोगे, you don't get a good score. First, look at the sentence and then try to read it. Try to look at your intonation. Intonation means what should go at a higher pitch and what should go at lower pitch. What should be stressed and what should not. We need
मैम
to
डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत आ
increase
रही है.
tourism in the region. Sorry?
मैम डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत आ रही है.
Please mute yourself, everyone. When you ask a question and then mute again, please. Okay. Again, read aloud. Let me tell you, अगर आप normal reading करोगे तो उस sentence में आपको score नहीं मिलेगा या बहुत low score मिलेगा. So you have, when you are reading a particular sentence, please look at what the sentence is about. Example, अगर ये sentence जो इस screen पे है, the screen says we need to increase tourism in the region. So how I have to speak it? Agar if I just say it like something normal voice, we need to increase tourism in the region. No, this is something important. मतलब कि कोई एक instruction दिया जा रहा है कुछ increase करने के लिए. So your pronunciation, fluency, intonation should be like, we need to increase tourism in the region. So your pitch should be high. And I have realized while teaching PT also, that when students do read aloud, they don't speak with full determination या फिर full heavy voice. Don't shout, but don't be something like you don't have a confidence. Whatever you're speaking, speak it with a louder voice. The fourth item
And
type.
ma'am, in actual test, sorry, may I ask one thing?
Yes.
In actual test, we don't have to apply, we don't have to connect that cords or headphone.
No. Your microphone should work. You are not allowed to use headphones.
Okay, but in my laptop, मतलब कि उतनी आवाज नहीं आती है मुझे लैपटॉप में. So how should I?
Speakers लगाने पड़ेंगे.
Okay, speakers तो लगा सकते हैं ना?
Speakers लगा सकते हो. See why they don't want anything in your ear, because they want that कहीं से भी कुछ भी, there should be no chances of cheating. Maybe with earphones you're doing something and someone is helping you in the answer. That's why they don't want your ears to be covered. Got it?
मैम स्पीकर से लगाने पड़ेंगे फिर इसमें.
मेरे ख्याल से मैं see I always give it on my laptop. Still I am talking on with you on my laptop and I don't have any headphones. I can easily listen to you.
Okay.
So I think laptop के speakers हमारे effective होते हैं. It is just because we sit with a in a noisy environment. You are not allowed to use headphones. Let me clarify it to you. अगर कोई भी student जब test देने वाला है, please be prepared. Last moment पे when you have your timer to be started, जब सब कुछ checking हो रही है, and then you say अरे मेरे पास तो headphones हैं, your money is wasted then. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next is your extended speaking, in which let's say you have these two images and then you have to speak on about that image. Now someone asked me that if it is let's say it's a fish. So if I want to say, I could say fish, a fish, this is a fish. Which is the best one?
This is a fish.
This is a fish.
Exactly. So say like that only. Okay, then the down box, which I have already explained to you, please make more than one sentence. You can use a connector, and even if you don't understand anything, Please have some vocabulary of yourself. Yeah, सब कुछ, don't just, learn anything, but be prepared to write on anything and take care of your typing errors. Many
Ma'am,
people actually.
how we would describe that image? Second one.
Second one, that's quite simple. The image is about a car which has caught fire. From the image, it can be looked at the car is actually parked on the highway, and along with the car, there's one more car can be seen. Simple.
Hmm.
I always try that what I see in the image, I only talk about that.
Okay.
Okay, then comes your extended speaking. This is an ungraded section, but it is very important. Okay, something like IELTS cue card. And most importantly, when anyone is practicing on Duolingo, please don't keep a notebook with you, a notepad and a pen with you.
मैम इसमें वहाँ एक से और 3 मिनट तक बोलना होता है?
1 से 3 मिनट तक बोलना होता है। 1 मिनट के बाद आप कभी भी चुप हो सकते हो। 1 मिनट तो कवर करना ही करना है। ओके, 1 मिनट के बाद आपके पास ऑप्शन होता है नेक्स्ट पे जाने का। 3 मिनट्स तक आप जब तक बोल सकते हो आप बोल सकते हो। ऐसे ही नेक्स्ट जो डाउन इमेज है 30 सेकेंड्स तक तो बोलना ही बोलना है। उसके बाद द हाउ मच यू कैन कंटिन्यू, दैट्स फाइन। This is extended writing. This is important. I think many students have questioned me that जो essay writing होता है, what we should write in that.
Yeah, this is very important. Yeah.
See, essay writing,
speaking,
you first of all, हमें IELTS की writing की आदत हो गई है, correct?
Yeah.
ma'am,
So
I have a
please,
small doubt.
yeah,
In that speaking, both the speaking doesn't have a scoring pattern, or at least one speaking has a scoring pattern, cue card.
see, I'll tell you. I have attempted various practice tests, which is by Duolingo, and practically facing the situation. Both have actually I have experienced that either of the tasks I have attempted in ungraded section. So I have one time attempted that also in ungraded and the down one also in ungraded. So anyone can come in an ungraded section and anyone can come in a graded section. Got it?
Okay. So extended speaking will not have a grading, like interview kind.
Exactly, it
Will not
will
have
not
it.
have a grading, but I think that is equally important. You cannot say कि इसका grading नहीं है तो important नहीं है. Because anyhow, when you're sending your DET report, this test report to your university, उनको आपका इंटरव्यू तो मिलेगा ही.
Okay.
मैम जी स्कोर कार्ड पे इफेक्ट करते हैं? जो लास्ट में एक आता है ना कि ये आपकी जो इंटरव्यू है स्कोर कार्ड पर इफेक्ट नहीं
इफेक्ट
करेगी,
नहीं करेगा,
जस्ट फॉर
स्कोर कार्ड
इंटरव्यू?
पर इफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. मैं वही चीज समझा रही हूँ. योर स्कोर कार्ड में बी यू गेट द डिजायर्ड स्कोर 105. Now when you are sending your test report to your university, आपने रिपोर्ट भेजी, रिपोर्ट के साथ साथ आपका this interview भी गया, which is your writing and speaking. So don't take any chance. Have a perfection in that also.
ओके, इन केस में नंबर आ जाते हैं, डिजायर्ड स्कोर आ जाता है और इंटरव्यू इतना अच्छा नहीं होता, उसका कोई इफेक्ट तो नहीं पड़ेगा?
What did you say?
अगर मैं डिसाइड स्कोर आते हैं 105 जैसे मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट है,
Okay.
इन केस इंटरव्यू अच्छा नहीं होता, उसका कोई इफेक्ट पड़ेगा?
क्यों नहीं पड़ेगा? पढ़ सकता है.
ओके,
पढ़ सकता है ना. आप देखो ना, यूनिवर्सिटी के ऊपर है. आप यूनिवर्सिटी को दोनों चीजें भेज रहे हो.
ओके.
Okay, coming to this extended writing. Again, when we talk about essay, I have told you choose a topic to write about, and then writing for 3 to 5 minutes on the below topic. Describe a person, but please ensure we were talking about essay writing. First of all, please don't paraphrase anything. Just give your answers, give your supporting ideas, and close it. And don't try to explain your ideas. 2 ideas are more than enough to reach the word limit. If your word limit is 50 or 100 words, just try to close it to 110 or 60 or 70 words. Your typing speed should be quite good, and ensure that your errors are not there. Most of the students, what they do when they practice, they try to practice on Microsoft Word. You should not practice on Microsoft Word when you're practicing your typing skills. You should always practice it on Notepad. Once you have done on Notepad, then copy it, paste it to Word. Then the Word will show the errors.
मैम जो इसका सेकंड पार्ट है उसमें लिखा है कि राइट फॉर 3 to 5 minutes, इसमें कितने वर्ड्स हम लिख सकते हैं मैक्सिमम?
See, it's about your speed. Some people
Okay.
go on for, maybe they have a very slow speed, they will not be able to cover up even 30 words. But someone who has a
Okay.
very good speed, they would be able to cover up. But I would advise when it's 3 to 5 minutes, it easily covers 50. For me, I can easily do 60 to 70 words here. 5 minutes तो बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Okay.
Okay,
So, ma'am,
coming
how to write that question, or how to write that answers? Previous one.
okay.
Describe a
Choose a
story.
topic. Right?
Yeah, suppose second
Describe
one.
a story that you enjoy. It can be a book, a
can be a-
movie, a TV show, any story. What do you like best about the story? How do you like it? This is your cue card question only. Okay, describe a story that you enjoy. The story that I enjoyed the most. Name the book. Okay, name the story, from where it came from. Okay, and what did you best like? What did you learn from the story? I learned majorly two things from the story. First is whatever you learned, and then the second part you say. How do you think it could be better? According to me, it would have been better if it would be framed something like that. It's more of a paragraph writing actually.
Okay, okay. So just
Right?
we have to answer it, right?
Exactly. Link, answer, answer. That's it. बीच में से अपना कुछ मत लिखो because you don't have time and anyhow.
और मतलब कि कोई vocabs की, मतलब इतना जैसे IELTS में हम vocabs वगैरह coherency चाहिए, coherent चाहिए.
See, what is coherence and cohesion? कि आप जो भी लिख रहे हो, it is linked properly. Similarly, this link has to be taken care in this also. जिस sequence में आपको question पूछा गया, आप उसी sequence में question को answer कर रहे हो. That is more than enough.
Okay, okay. अगर suppose हम ज्यादा high vocabs नहीं भी डाले तो is it okay?
It is okay.
Okay.
मैम जो अपर सेक्शन है उसमें जैसे टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है उसमें वर्ड लिमिट तो लिखी नहीं.
I'll tell you where is the word limit. This is the word limit. 50 to
Okay.
100 words. The word limit comes actually, पहले क्या होता है, आपके पास 30 सेकेंड का टाइमर होता है to select a topic, and फिर जो next question आता है उसके बेस पे फिर आपके पास word limit आएगी, but they have given you the timer, so it's up to
Okay.
you how long you can type it. And the best thing is, अगर आप 5 minutes की typing कर रहे हो, you should be able to complete all the points. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, extended writing I have explained. This I have explained. Okay, missing letter completion. This is a practice that needs time actually. This is, I don't know for all of you how easy or how tough it is, but it may get tough for some people. So this needs a lot of practice. And majorly these are all the types of questions that come go test. Okay, and
मैम इसका मटेरियल कहाँ पर मिलेगा, किस साइट पर?
किसी साइट पे नहीं है, ये आपको ट्रेनर्स के पास ही मिलेगा.
Okay.
The best part is that Duolingo has not released any of the study materials. So obviously, the trainers have to work on it. Even me, I as a trainer, I'm preparing the study material. And
मैम फीस
being a
कितनी है,
master
एनरोलमेंट
trainer,
फीस है?
sorry,
Will you share
एनरोलमेंट
on
फीस
YouTube?
कितनी है?
no, this is the study material is actually for the students, those who enroll for the class.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have to wrap up a call now. Any one of you, any doubts, any questions, any queries, please get back to me through Skype or WhatsApp. You already have our office numbers with you, I believe so.
ओके मैम।
Okay.
Yeah,
मैम एनरोलमेंट की फीस कितनी है?
the fees is 3,000. I will
Okay.
tell my office to get in touch with you in terms of the fees and all other details.
ओके
Okay.
Ma'am, as I told you,
Shaida,
is there
just a second, because everyone will have their own concerns about the fees, about the timing. So that's why I'm telling you, if you send me individual chats now,
okay,
for
okay,
me
sure.
it will be easy for you to align everything then.
ओके मैम।
Fine.
So let me just tell you, Wednesday, today is Monday, so Wednesday there will be again a class of 4 at 4 o'clock for the student, those who have enrolled. So, and let me tell you one more thing, I have very limited seats in that, because when I take a class, I don't want more than 5 students in a class, because अगर ज़्यादा बच्चे होते हैं, as a trainer I cannot concentrate.
मैम टाइम फ्लेक्सिबल मिल जाएगा?
Time flexibility, please let me know through chat. We will chat it.
Okay.
You give me your preferable time, and if I
Okay.
could prepare a batch, just understand, me being a master trainer, मुझे भीड़ नहीं चाहिए, मुझे quality चाहिए.
ओके मैम।
So I have only 5 students to enroll in 4 to 5 batch. So if you have any doubts, send me a message now.
Madam,
Yes.
madam, in 10 days we can get perfect and I can attempt the test. I have already been bite the test.
Yes. I think, what's your name? Sai, right?
Yes.
I have 3 students here, I think, Avik, Shahida, and one more, I believe. Those who have already, I think, planned test now.
Yes, ma'am. I have already bite the test.
So please send me a message. I will plan out something sure for you.
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
I have purchased that
Okay.
test.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye,
Thank
madam.
you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.